Hey, Jeff here. Today we're going to take a closer look at how we do our keyboard sound testing to ensure consistency and reliability comparisons across all of our sound tests. We're showcasing our methods using the Neo70 by Unikeys. The Neo70 is our go-to board for sound testing. It has a tight sound profile and sounds great with and without any mods, allowing the Switch's own sound profile to come through. It is also super accessible as an in-stock item at an affordable price. What really sets it apart for us is how straightforward it is to build and take apart, thanks to the innovative magnetic connectors to the PCB. No more finagling with JST connectors or ribbon cables. Sound test videos can be misleading due to the variables like recording equipment, playback devices, post-processing. Even the size of the room and orientation of the microphone can introduce small differences in what we hear. Our recording environment is set up using 2-inch thick DMD acoustic panels from AcoustiMat. That setup is the same across all videos, with the keyboard on a key mat. We record using a Rode NT1 5th generation microphone mounted on a separate mic stand at about 6-inch distance above the keyboard itself, routed into a Focusrite Scarlett solo interface at a +4 gain. We do not alter the recording in any way in post-processing. Our goal is a consistently quiet environment where what we hear is what also the viewer hears. We aim to control as many variables as possible so that our audience only hears the differences that are deliberately introduced into the build itself. That means you'll be able to hear the relative differences between tests, whether you are using headphones or speakers. In the video today, we're focusing on the HMX Eva switches installed in the Neo70 paired with aluminum and carbon fiber plates. We chose carbon fiber to balance out the EVA's natural lower pitch, highlighting how different materials can influence sound dynamics. Enjoy.